for limits like this, you have to know these two limits. Because usually you're trying to manipulate it until it looks like one of these. So then you can go to 0 or 1. So for here, the thing is, even though you have a cosine, you can't really do it because it seems like it would be too much work to put a 1 minus there, and it would just be too much work. So let's see if we can do anything else. So I see this tangent, and the tangent can actually be changed. Because tangent x equals sine x over cosine x. So going back to this, what you can do is the tangent can become sine over cosine. Is since that would become a fraction, you can actually move the cosine to the bottom. And I put the theta out here because so you don't get confused. So the inside remains the same. So what now happens is, since we made that tangent sine over cosine, what happens is now we have the top and bottom that can cancel. Because since we're multiplying everything, these can actually cancel. So that's great, because after it cancels, we have sine 9 theta over theta. So now it's starting to look like something like this, but not quite, because these x's have to match. And right now, it's not matching. Sine 9 theta, it's not 9 theta. But what we can do is we can make it 9 theta. And then all we have to do is, since we multiplied the bottom by 9 theta, we can multiply the top by 9 theta. And we can't forget the original 1 over theta, because if you just remove this, it'd be 1 over theta. So we keep all that. So all I did was just multiply the top and the bottom by 9 theta, and I kept the 1 over theta. So now, since this is the same as sine x over x, as in this one, sine x over x, this goes to 1. So if this goes to 1, then that makes our lives easier. So after this, it's 9 theta times 1 over theta. So now it becomes 9 theta over theta. That's the same thing as if you had 9x over x. So the x's cancel. Now, all you're left with is 9. So this is your answer, and I hope that helped, and thanks for watching.